I've been thinking a lot about boyhood. I don't know why, but I find myself reflecting on it more as I get older. Maybe it's because I've started noticing how much it shapes the way boys, men, really see the world. And in turn, how it shapes how I see them. It's funny how perspectives change over time. When I was younger, I thought boyhood was simple. Boys had it easy, or so I thought. They didn't have to worry about makeup or keeping their hair just right. They could play sports, run around, shout without anyone questioning them. They were free in a way that I didn't feel like I was. I thought that was a privilege, something to be envious of. I used to dream about being like them, carefree, loud, confident. But as time goes on, I see it differently. Boyhood is not as effortless as I once imagined. In fact, it's a lot more complex. I watch how the world expects them to be strong, to always hold it together, to be the leader or protector. I wonder how that feels, how exhausting it must be to carry those expectations at such a young age. They're told to toughen up, to not show emotion, to be manly. What does it feel like, being told over and over to suppress everything real and vulnerable? And yet, even with all of that, I can see how they find their own ways of expressing themselves. Maybe it's in their friendships or how they deal with their emotions behind closed doors. Maybe it's through their quiet acts of kindness, or those moments of soft vulnerability that no one really gets to see. Sometimes I think about how boyhood teaches them how to mask things. How from a young age, they're taught to hide anything that isn't strong. And for some, that becomes a lifelong habit. They carry it with them into adulthood, burying parts of themselves in order to fit into a mold that doesn't really reflect who they are. And as I grow older, I realize how much that affects how I see them, too. I've become more aware of their insecurities, their quiet struggles that go unnoticed by the world. I think maybe that's what boyhood is, a journey of learning to navigate the world while also trying to stay true to who you are, even when no one gives you the space to be anything other than what's expected. I used to wonder what it would be like to be a boy, to have that different experience. But now, I think I'd rather appreciate the differences between our worlds. It's not that I don't still wonder, sometimes, I do, but I think my perspective is shifting. Boyhood isn't something to envy or compare, it's something to understand and respect. Everyone has their own struggles, their own way of growing up, and I guess, in the end, we all just learn to navigate the world in our own way. Maybe I'm learning that empathy is key, that no one really has it easy, no matter how their journey looks on the outside. I wish I could tell the boys around me that it's okay to feel everything, that it's okay to not always be strong. But I know they have their own path to walk, just like I do. I think that's the hardest thing about growing up. It's realizing that we are all just trying to make sense of this world, whether you're a boy, a girl, or anything in between. We all have our stories, and maybe it's through learning those stories that we can all grow together. But for now, I'll keep thinking about it. The complexities of boyhood, how it shapes the world we live in, and how it shapes who we become. Maybe one day, I'll understand it all. Or maybe, that's just the point, there's always more to learn.